Zimbabwean war veterans militant leader Blessed Bomshogeza addresses on Friday was the most significant, yet it directly and daringly called on VP Constantino Chiwenga to intervene in the country's current leadership crisis and ongoing power struggle. Sandapinda mashoko oyachitsanangura nekuanalyzewa pamusoro aiwa pamashoko anotogwa naBomshogeza ari kuonekwa kunzi mashoko akataura pamusoro pemagenerals naVP Constantino Chiwenga aiwa panguva ino they were very direct and are very controversial. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina panapa mu the news of Sonny Rambere wa GT. The country's current leadership crisis and ongoing power struggle, citing events surrounding the November 2017 coup that ousted the late President Robert Mugabe and installed President Emmerson Mnangagwa, now accused of trying to undermine the constitution to extend his second term beyond his 2028 limit to 2030. Mnangagwa is also facing a plethora of serious attacks, leadership, governance and police failures, as well as corruption and incompetence. Geza's increasingly bold stance and demands for Mnangagwa's urgent departure have sparked controversy and panic within government, with the state responding by opening criminal charges against him for inciting public violence, undermining authority of the president and theft. His open call for military intervention has ruffled feathers and triggered panic in the tense corridors of power. Mnangagwa and his political and security allies desperately want Geza handed down and stopped yet on his tracks, particularly now that he is directly calling for Chiwenga to intervene using his military leverage. Tomashkwaripo, the current situation ilipo aiwa mumabarracks umo top leadership eZANU-PF zvinoonekwa kunzi panguva ino zvinozokonzeresa chaos. Musoro yamuri kuona iri muZANU-PF panguva ino iri kutenderera, mungaona zvenyu vachisekererana kana vachiuya vachicriticize opposition kana vana Geza, but their heads they are rolling. Tunze mafunguro enyu mutudi pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section yedu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.